Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to this easy guide on how to play the Connect 4 card game. It's a fun twist on the classic game, designed for 2 to 4 players. To begin, you'll need the 55 Connect 4 tiles and 24 mission cards. Each player receives 2 secret mission cards, which they keep hidden. Then, shuffle the Connect 4 tiles and place them face down as a draw pile. Flip the top tile to create the starting point for your game grid. Gameplay is straightforward, starting with the youngest player and moving clockwise. During your turn, you'll draw one Connect 4 tile from the face-down pile. Then, strategically place this tile next to any existing tile on the table, ensuring at least one edge touches. Remember, tiles cannot be placed diagonally. If your drawn tile features a power-up symbol, you have the option to use its unique ability, which can significantly alter the game's flow. The core of the game is completing missions. These involve arranging 4 tiles of the same color into specific patterns, such as a straight line, a square, or an L shape. Keep in mind that gray circles on tiles are considered blank and won't contribute to any color connection. When you successfully complete a mission with your current tile placement, immediately reveal that mission card and draw a new one to keep your objectives fresh. Power-up tiles add exciting strategic depth. For instance, a rotation power-up lets you spin any unsurrounded tile, while a wild power-up allows its dot to count as any color you need. The add power-up lets you stack your tile on another, and subtract removes a tile from play. These abilities can dramatically shift the board. The ultimate goal is to be the first player to complete 4 missions, claiming victory in this engaging card game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.